Hello guys, good morning. As what I promised you before, I will show you how to measure the tire pressure and tire profile. There are two types of tire pressure gauge, the traditional one and the digital one. We will go today with the traditional one. And I will also measure the tire pressure, the tire profile rather, with €1 coin. So this is it. Let's do it. How to measure the tire pressure? First, look for the manual. It is usually on the inside of the driver's side door or inside the fuel filler cup. It depends of your auto. This is the manual looks like. At the left side, this is the type of the tire. The next one, that is the measurement, how many bar or PSI. And the next one is the loads or maximum persons. This is tire pressure gauge. It is called Reifendruckmesser in German. It is a traditional one. It is used to measure the pressure of tires on a vehicle. It is important to keep the pressure of the tire at the optimal amount. First, remove the bulb cap of your tire. Place the pressure gauge on the bulb stem and press down hard enough so the hiss sound disappears. 2,7. And your gauge provides a reading. A properly inflated tire will provide longer life, quicker steering response, smoother ride, and better fuel efficiency. It is recommended to check your tire pressure on a monthly basis. The tire must be cooled before getting a reading or removing or adding air, otherwise you will get false reading from hot tires. It's best to head for the nearest gasoline station directly when you start driving. And after that, the new auto tire measurement should be confirmed. This is the €1 coin looks like. It's gold in the outside and silver in the inside. Okay, now let's use this to measure the tire profile. Stick the euro coin into the thread. If the golden edge remains visible, your tire is worn out and it's time to purchase a new tire. In our case, the tire is still good. So that's it. It's easy. In my first video before, I asked you, when is the best time to change summer tire into winter tire? So this is the answer. I asked my teacher before. He told me, The best time is from O to O, so it means from October to Easter. Easter means Ostern in German, so that's why it's from von Oktober bis Ostern. That's the answer. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.